What would one of my videos be without a hello YouTube to start it off? Today we're going through the town of Neeses, South Carolina. Neeses is in Orangeburg County. Yeah, we're hitting up a lot of Orangeburg here lately, and we're going to continue that. As it just so happens that my favorite trip in the world goes through Orangeburg County. And Orangeburg has so many towns, I still haven't been to all of them. So it's just easy to pick those off. So I'm going to stop in this Piggly Wiggly here. And there's also a giant flea market in Neeses. I did buy some butter beans and a watermelon at that that Piggly Wiggly. Had a huge restaurant in there too. I like going to local grocery stores and just seeing what they got and buying some local produce when I'm out traveling. Anyway, I really don't have anything on Neeses. The Wikipedia page just basically says there's 350 people living in it, and that's about it. They don't even have a website, so nothing really to say other than I kind of dug Neeses. Probably because of that Piggly Wiggly. But enjoy the next minute of a ride through Neeses, South Carolina.